Welcome back. In our last video, we explored Python control structures, including conditionals and loops. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept that will take your Python programming skills to the next level: functions. Functions allow us to organize our code into reusable blocks, making our programs more modular and easier to maintain. In this video, we'll start by understanding what functions are and why they're important in programming. We'll learn how to define functions using the def keyword, pass parameters to them, and return values from them. We'll explore function scope and lifetime of variables, and by the end, you'll be able to write your own functions to solve specific tasks efficiently. What are functions? Functions are blocks of code that perform a specific task and can be reused throughout your program. To define a function, you use the def keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. Parameters can be passed inside these parentheses. Parameters allow functions to accept input values that can be used inside the function body. Calling functions. To execute a function, you call it by its name followed by parentheses. Variables defined inside a function have local scope, meaning they are only accessible within that function. The return statement allows a function to send back a result to the caller. Global versus local variables. Variables defined outside any function have global scope and can be accessed anywhere in the program. Let's practice. We'll write a function to calculate the factorial of a number using recursion. Today, we explored Python functions, from defining them with parameters and return values to understanding variable scope. Functions are essential for structuring your code and making it reusable. In the next video, we'll delve into advanced topics such as function arguments, lambda functions, and more. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Python tutorials. Leave your questions or comments below. I'm here to help.